Wow, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dexy. Good afternoon, guys. Today, after the rain, I'm showing my garden. Some of the roses were blooming already. So, yeah, I'll show you guys. My roses. But you see those? These knockout roses. See this tree in here, bulb going to bloom. Guys. So excited about it. And yellow. And yellow is already there. See that first. I'm in the island on a Wednesday. Guys. So there are more coming. You hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with her, babe. No way. I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world. I might just have to live with you and him. Look at this girl like let me get my words right. Since she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan. You take your back like that. If we gon' hit that gas, make it U-turn 100 pounds in the bed. Gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no team, I just try. Hey, shorty the school to my rocket. I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Pop Hits, you all out when they know the truth.
Still there.
Cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice.
On those lilies, white lilies, or red some of I will show you my lilies is still blooming. Still here. Oh, look. I have the red. Look at it. So pretty, isn't it? They were big. Real big. And those sneakers like that. So, as you can see this here, we got red. There were 4 red. Look at that. So pretty, my gosh. This was just pretty on my didn't drop down. Kumustahin natin yung ow! And look at that. It's too heavy. It's knocking down because it's 4 of it. The rain did us this. My marigold is here doing this. And look, my martial. I saw coming. It's very quick. Oh, I see this. I don't see it a while ago. I don't see these leaves a while ago. Now it's coming. Wow. Oh, just wow, guys. See? You see those leaves already? It's not a thing. It's rain a week ago too. So, wow, just wow. I got leaves now, guys. See that? It's coming back. Actually, they're coming back. And look, oh, my roses here. Just beautiful. So beautiful, guys. My fountain, I have no time. Just tired. Just my fountain is not doing. I don't make it. Maybe these few days. My flowers, knockout flowers, so pretty.
You hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with her, babe. No way. I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right.
It's knockout. Just few days.
I got a plan, you take your back like that. If we gon' hit that gas, make it U-turn 100 pounds in the night. You gotta pray to God that we just do not.
I even haven't trimmed those. lemongrass down there. Show you this one. And my tulips is gone. Some of those gone already. Never make because it's already warm. There's more coming, bulb coming this time. There's more flowers to go. So that ooh, pretty. And I will see you. Look at the guys. This is the malunggay I have. The front is the bar front. I don't cut it off this year, so I saw those leaves coming now. So spring, bring leaves. And there's another more malunggay in there. Look at that. Pwede na mag-ano guys, tula. Ayan, pwede na magtula. There you go. I'll show you in another side. I have another side though. Show you. Oh yeah, this is my flowers in here. Look at that. It's still not bearing yet, but hopefully it bears soon. Sooner or later, you know. This beautiful this red. Oh my God. I have her too. Actually, I have her. Yeah. So that's it. The small happiness I have, and I have more big red in here. Bulb coming. Look at that. So this is the view when you were. All I wanted is, oh God, lizard, and she want to swing. Oh no. She wants to ride on the swing. Look at the lizard, okay? But that's my friend lizard. She ate all the worms that, oh no, not the worms, insects that going in my garden. So look at that. The birds, yeah, me too. You see the birds too. Okay, bird. And look at that, what I have. A calamansi. That's big now. That's a good one. Good news in there. Good calamansi. It's getting big. And there you go, guys. We have a more calamansi. So it's something in there. It's getting better. The rain, always rain, make my plants really happy. I'll tell you that, guys. Rain is kind of different what's that? From any water from the top, because you know there's the rain that takes another calamansi. There you go. So that's it. That's it for happening in my garden right now. So please, for those who are not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button for notification, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And this is Claric Vlog, and thank you so much for those who's following me always and always watching my videos. Thank you, guys, and God bless. How pretty it is, guys.
Start crying in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me
I have a lot that's coming. Yeah. Tulips coming. Because it's, you know, spring, the purple and the pink.
What you do with Captain, turn your lover to a op.